In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy S&P 500 at trade. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can place a confident order for an S&P 500 exchange-traded fund on the ETrade platform. Start by logging into your ETrade account using the official website or app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and, if prompted, complete any two-factor verification. This keeps your account safe before you make a trade. Once you're in, navigate to the trading area. Look for Trade or Investments in the main menu. On many layouts, you'll select Trade, then choose Stocks/ETFs, which opens the order ticket and the search bar you need. Next, use the search field to find the fund you want. Type the ticker symbol. Let's use VOO as the example. VOO is a well-known ETF designed to track the S&P 500 index. When it appears, click it to load the quote page. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct fund by checking the name, current price, and the day's price range. This quick review helps avoid buying the wrong security due to a mistyped symbol. Now click Buy. This opens the order ticket with the buy action selected. Enter the number of shares you want, such as 1. Keep in mind that your total cost will be the share price times the number of shares plus any applicable fees, so make sure your buying power covers the order. Choose your order type. Market is the simplest. It aims to execute right away at the best available price. It's fast, but the final fill price may differ slightly from what you see on the screen, especially in a fast-moving market. Limit is recommended if you want more control over the price you pay. With a limit order, you set the maximum price you're willing to pay per share, ideally close to the current ask price. If the market stays at or below your limit, your order can fill. If it moves higher, it won't execute unless the price comes back to your limit. When everything looks correct, click Preview. This shows a summary of your order, including the estimated cost and the order type. Use this moment to double-check the ticker, the number of shares, and, if you used a limit, the limit price. If you're satisfied, click Place Order to submit it. That's it. By logging in, heading to Trade or Investments, searching the ticker like VOO, clicking Buy, entering your shares and order type, and using Preview before place order, you can confidently buy an S&P 500 ETF on ETrade.